Good morning, 6th period. I hope everything is going well with you. Today, we're going to be dealing with the Underground Railroad, and I have a couple of different things for you. As usual, we have our little start-off video. This time you don't get to see me. I'm just going to talk and do a little screen capture here so that when I go over the instructions for the assignment you're going to be working on, you'll be able to see what I am talking about. So we're going to be doing two different things on page 45 today. One will be a map. Hopefully you're able to print the map out and work on it. This assignment will be due on Friday, and you'll need to take a picture of it, a screenshot, something like that, send it to me. If you are not able to print the map, hopefully you can download it electronically and edit it on your phone or on your tablet or on whatever electronic device you're using, and you can send me a screenshot of whatever editing you did to it that followed the instructions. So anyways, to start off with, we are going to have this map on page 45. Now, we are going to be doing two things with this map. First, you are going to be putting notes underneath it, so I make a suggestion that right above where it says Underground Railroad Routes, right around here, you make a fold so that you can glue on the back when we get back together, and you can actually glue. And then you'll be able to flip up the bottom portion and write your notes either on the back of the map or on page 45 itself. So once again, this is page 45 map. And then there will be page 45 notes, which I will post up onto Edsby along with a blank copy of this map. So on this map down in the bottom left-hand corner are the instructions of what you're going to be doing. First thing, your job is to label each state that is on this map. So whether you're labeling Wisconsin right here, Tennessee right here, or North Carolina right here, you have to label all of the states that this map shows you. Number two, I want you to label any major landforms. Example, you've got these all little triangular shaped things. You might want to label what those are. You may also want to label what these bodies of water are. You can label them as a group, or you can label them individually. You may also want to label this body of water and this body of water out here, and make the addition. I don't know why there is no east on this compass rose. You can go ahead and add that in. Let's see. Then it says you're going to highlight the main routes taken by slaves on the Underground Railroad. So the main routes, if we look over to our key, are any of these routes lined with an arrow. So for example, if we start with Cairo, Illinois, we follow the arrow up. It goes through Chicago. From Chicago, it goes through one of the Great Lakes, cutting through to Collingwood in Canada. Or you could start in Norfolk, Virginia, and travel north, heading to Boston, stopping at Boston, heading west to western Massachusetts, and then heading north up to Montreal in Canada. So you'll notice there's lots of arrows on this map, and lots of different starting points. So make sure you get all of the different starting points when you highlight these out. From there, the last thing you're going to do is color both the free and slave states with different colors. Doesn't matter what color you choose, as long as you mark in your key. One color for the free, one color for the slave. If you don't have colored pencils or crayons, you can use it in varying shades of gray, or you can also use, as we've done in the past, where we've used patterns. So if you wanted to make the free states with slashes going one way and slave states with slashes going another way, that works as well. You can look back at your notes on the Deep South and the Old South if that helps you, as well as, well, everything else that would not be a free state. Everything else would be a free state. Or else you can just look up a free and slave state map in 1850. That should help you be able to label all of the states on this map as either being a free state or a slave state. This assignment is due on Friday. If you have troubles with it, please message me so that I can help you out. After that, once this map is done and you've sent me either a picture of it or a screenshot or however it is you're going to be modifying and showing your work on here, underneath this map, you will be putting down some notes on the Underground Railroad, and I will post those up onto Edsby. So let's take a quick look at what it says here. So we're going to have the good morning video instructions, which is what we're doing right now. Then you'll work on do this map. After that, there is a video that's going to be posted about the Underground Railroad on YouTube. And after that, on Edsby, there will be the actual notes for page 45. So if you have any questions, send me a message. Otherwise, have yourselves a good day, stay out of trouble, and stay safe.